Hi folks, hope you're all doing well. Today we are riding the Kintyre 66. Our ride begins in the fishing village of Tarbet and the Kintyre 66 officially kicks off just south of here. We will make a stop at Westport Beach to breathe in the sea air and if it's clear enough get a glimpse of Northern Ireland in the distance. Skipping past Campbelltown we will head up the east coast of the peninsula. It's more sheltered here, with forests and farmland meeting the sea, and where we can get a view of the towering peaks of Goatfell on the Isle of Arran. Let's go.
Follow the road for 37 miles. Just had a nice coffee and a couple of rolls and sausage there. The cafe called Cadora, I think it was called. And we're heading to the start of the Kintyre 66. Kintyre 66 is a little route similar to the, well I take it they've gave it a name just because of the NC500 66 mile route round the Kintyre Peninsula. The Kintyre Peninsula, I've never actually been here before. Have you ever heard of the song Mull of Kintyre by Wings, Paul McCartney? It was way down the bottom of this peninsula. I would sing it, but you'd probably turn the video off. Hopefully this camera is bug free. Look at that. Road snaking up there. Nice new bit of tarmac. We're up pretty high here. The viewpoint's down in this stretch. You won't see it, but straight ahead from me, I think that's Ireland. Just in the mist I can see it. Look at the waves. Old graveyard. Look how old that goes back. Hundreds of years I bet you. some waves, you could surf on them. Well, I'm saying you could surf on them. Someone who's never surfed in his life. It looks as if you could. Nice wee spot. Beach, that's the one. That is the one. See? Told you you could surf on it. Surfers. A busy wee bit that. And my wife will be annoyed that I went to a beach without her, because she loves beaches. And you kind of feel that you're on an island here. But you're not, you're on the mainland. That's us in the outskirts of Campbelltown. Which we're not going in, we're taking a left to go around it and back up the east coast of the peninsula. Glen Scotia Distillery. Never heard of that one. Oh, look at that. It definitely feels as if you're on an island. I don't know why, but it does. Maybe it's because I took a ferry. The ferry's from mainland to mainland. Crazy little road. Right, that's us definitely on the east coast now. Pity it's not a bit clearer. That is the mountains of the Isle of Arran. Another island I've not been on. Another nice little bit. Spectacular. Amazing how quickly you get up high. Oh, it's steep and tight. It's the quick way down to sea level. Well, we're not quite, but a good bit lower than we were. Yep, as steep as anything. I wish you could see how steep these hills are, or how sharp the bends are. The camera just doesn't do it. And look at the short distance when down to sea level. Shows you how steep these hills are. Just had another wee stop there, take a few photos, and oh, it gets hot when that sun comes out. East coast is definitely straight up or straight down with a few twists. But look at that. Stunning views. Now, to be honest, it's a pretty quiet road. I mean, it's 1:30 in the afternoon and it's a sunny day and there's hardly a car on it. Another old-fashioned phone box.